Today I am reviewing the super fun golf game. Comes with this steel frame. It requires no tools to put together. These slip through the side and then has Velcro here on the back, which makes it super easy to adjust. And this is a fun outdoor golf game to help on your chipping. And it comes with these Velcro balls and these 2 golf clubs. You see they're just going to stick there. And they're with 4 different colors, so you can have a backyard game with your friends to see who does it better. I think Teddy Bear wants to steal them though. Further away, but we're just practicing, and so I need to have it on camera. I think I need to scoot further away. It's kind of fun. All right, last one. Try not to be too embarrassing. But yeah, this is fun though. Even though I'm not doing great, I am having fun. There we go. Hit too hard, but I feel like it's my best shot. I hope that this video helped you with your buying decision.